Hey, Suffolk Camper here. Thank you for joining me. This is my first camp in the spring 2026. It's good to be back. I've been looking forward to getting out camping for a while now. I haven't been out since winter last year when I did a stealth camp in the B&Q car park, I think it was. So now I'm back out in a nice forest location. I'm going to be camping next to an old abandoned brick building, which I think will be fun and interesting. I hope you'll join me for that. We're going to have the usual campfire and some food and a couple of drinks. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I hope you'll join me for that, and I think it'll be fun. So anyhow, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye. Okay, here we are. Here's the abandoned brick building. It's not much, but I don't actually know what it is or what it was, but as you can see, it's very overgrown. Hello? Oh. Last time I came here, that was all locked up. That's interesting. Unexpected. Okay. Hello? Let's get the torch on my phone. That's a bit better. Okay, I'm gonna come back and check this out later. When it's dark, it'll be more fun. But yeah, I wasn't expecting this to be open. But yeah, I'm gonna come back later. It's only one room, but it'll be something to look at. Oh well, I wasn't expecting that. Every time I've come here for years, it's always been a huge padlock on that door. So either someone's taken it off or someone's broken in. Maybe Urbex Explorers or something. I don't know, but anyhow, I'm going to set the tent up. Oh, got sidetracks. Okay, so I wanted to set up around here, around these beech trees. As you can see, obviously, I'm very close to a footpath, so I'm not exactly super hidden, but it is what it is. I'm still in the middle of the forest, but if I camp just around the back here, so I'm out the way a little bit, if I set up, say, I think here will be a good spot, and then I can set up the little fireplace over here somewhere with the grass is green. Yeah, I think that'll be the plan. So this is where I'm going to be staying for the night. Okay. So I'm just looking about. Yeah, okay. I'm going to get set up because the shadows are getting long, and it won't be too long before it's dark, I don't think. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, bye bye. Hi, welcome back guys. So I've got the tent set up, as you can see. Got my usual chair that I can relax in. I've got my usual Van Gogh Orion 200 tent. Great tent for the money. I've used it many times. It's never let me down. Big enough for one person, but also big enough to put all your gear in, so you don't have to worry about people tampering with your stuff outside the tent when you're asleep. I'll show you inside. Got my little lights. These are just cheap lights I bought off Amazon for a few quid for a pack of 6 or whatever. They get the job done. Oh, and as you can see, I've got another one hanging up there. I've got my 4-season NATO sleeping bag, because even though it's spring, it still gets quite chilly at night. The temperature still drops a bit, I've noticed, so I don't want to take any chances. Now to eat, I've got chili con carne, like a freeze-dried survival camping meal, and I've got another one. I've got pasta and bolognese. These are really great. These actually produce quite a lot of food when you mix them with hot water. And I've also got some like spicy Korean noodles. I have these at work sometimes. They're quite nice. They're a bit on the spicy side, but they warm you up. And I'm going to heat the water up in my mess tin here. I've got my knife, fork and spoon in the back there. I'm going to heat it up on my, I've got my gas stove there, it's all packed up, but I've got my gas stove. This is really super handy for camping. I don't have to mess around with twig stoves and firelighters and all this stuff. I'm all for traditionalism, but this is honestly, this makes just life so much easier. It heats up water so much quicker and faster as well. So that's my food. Got my old school binoculars. Obviously got one of my cameras here, my Canon EO5 4000D. Been on many camping trips. Great little camera, but unfortunately it doesn't have a flip out viewfinder, so it's difficult to know whether or not I'm in shot, but still a great little camera for the price I paid for it. Got 3 litres of water, 1.5 litres each. I got some Schweppes tonic water, which I love, and for a little bit of entertainment, some cheap co-op vodka, but it'll get the job done. I think it's like 8 quid for this. What was it, 35 centilitres? Yeah, that'll do nicely. That'll give me a nice little buzz. So yeah, this is it for tonight, lads, and ladies as well, of course. I'm not forgetting the ladies. So yeah, that's what's going on in here, and I'll bring you back outside. I'll turn the camera back on a little bit. Hang on, I'll see you in a bit. Hi, me again. So let's take a little look around this area where I'm going to be staying for the night. Got some nice beech trees here. Got a nice fallen down branch there. It would be cool to have a fire under that, actually. That'll look quite cool all lit up at night. Just clear some leaves away. That'll be quite good. It looks like here someone's tried, maybe some kids have tried to build a little den. So obviously this area is frequented by people sometimes. You can hear the crunch, crunch, crunch of the leaves as I walk. It's like an area of beach surrounded by pine. Just over there you have more pine, large evergreens. I think they're spruce pines, maybe. I'm not really a tree expert, but it looks like they're doing some logging over here. They've been doing some tree felling. So you see there, you've got all the logs all cut. Yeah. So this is where I nearly fell over. This is where the spruce pines begin. You got you can see they've been cutting it down here, look. So I think I should stay away from this area. Just in case there's any loose bits. I don't want to be hit by a widowmaker in the dead of night. But yeah, lots of free firewood here. I'll stick that in the back of the car. Cool, I can really smell that pine. Really love that smell. So yeah, this is the little area I'm going to be staying in. So I can see something over there, trying to figure out what it is. Because even though I'm in the middle of a forest, I'm still by a footpath, and the car park isn't actually that far away. I'm just going to see how obvious I look from the pathway. Hang on, I'll bring you guys back in a sec. Okay, so this is the main footpath, or tracks, because you get the Forestry Commission driving up and down here to do their work. So this has actually quite a few heavy vehicles on when they're doing their business, because obviously forest has to be maintained. Someone's got to do it. But yeah, as you can see, my tent is right there. I am not at all hidden whatsoever, so I can't really call this stealth camping. Although I will probably put that in the video title, as it's good for the algorithm. But yeah, I don't think you can see that very well on this camera. But yeah, it's my tent can be seen very easily. Oh well, it is what it is. I thought I heard something. Okay, anyhow, I'm going to turn the camera off and save some more battery. I'm going to bring you guys back soon, alright? See you in a bit. Bye-bye. Excuse me. Right, hey guys. Hope you can hear and see me okay. I can't get the viewfinder preview to work on my GoPro app on my phone, so I'm hoping I'm in shot and you can see me alright. So anyway, just going to give my usual sit rep talk in my chair before it gets dark, like I normally do in my videos. Obviously I'm here now, I've got everything set up, I've done all the hard stuff. Getting out here was an absolute nightmare, because I had to drive through Ipswich, stop at a pharmacy on the way. Town was absolutely packed with traffic, and there was roadworks as well. So the journey down here was quite stressful. The thing with driving through Ipswich is you can barely go 50 yards without hitting a set of traffic lights. It's just the congestion in the town is so bad. It's like driving through Ipswich during peak periods is like the most rage-inducing thing you can imagine. So it was quite stressful getting here today, but I've done it, I'm here now, and yeah, I can relax. I've never camped here before, and sorry, there's flies, little flies everywhere. I've never camped in this location before. It's a little bit out in the open for my liking, but I don't think I'll get any trouble. It's quite a nice little area. I want to check out that little brick building properly when it's dark, and it'll be a bit more fun. And yeah, that's it really. So I think now I'm going to try a little bit of this triple distilled vodka. 37.5%. Pure grain spirit, blended and bottled in the UK. Unlike Stella Artois, where it says Belgian beer bottled in Manchester. Quite amusing, I think. Right, I've got, hang on, let me just get something. I've got my Schweppes tonic water to wash it down with. Oh, let me just hold this with my feet like this. Okay, here we go. Something to loosen me up a little bit, just to get the old juices going. There we go. So if you've been watching me so far, thank you very much for watching. I really love and appreciate everyone who watches, even if it's just for a little while, you know. If you like this content, please hit the like and subscribe, and maybe even share if you feel like it. All channel support is appreciated. I know I'm not a big channel, but you know, I'm hoping to grow the channel more over the spring and summer when it's better camping weather, because it's been a bit too cold recently and I've had other stuff going on. But I'm back out camping now, and you're going to be seeing more of this. So cheers for sticking with me and joining me tonight, and here goes. Oh, oh boy. Oh, oh, that hits the spot. I can hear voices. Hi. A couple of dog walkers. Some dog walkers saw me. They were just walking over there. Oh well. They'll just have to deal with it. One thing I've noticed is there's quite a lot of flies. I've been bitten by a mosquito twice already. I'm pretty sure it's a mosquito. It can't really be anything else. But this place will definitely become interesting when it gets dark. Anyhow, I've waffled on enough now, and I want to save some battery power, because these GoPro batteries run out quite fast. I'll tell you that. Luckily I've got a power bank, so I can plug it into that, and I've also got a spare battery, but I don't want to burn them out still if I can help it. So anyhow, thanks again for joining me, and I'll catch you soon. Alright, cheers, bye bye. Alright guys, how's it going? Back again. Okay, so obviously it's dark now. There's obviously the tent. There's my little light and my stuff. I'm not sure what time it is. It's getting late, obviously. I'm actually quite hungry now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the gas stove on and do something to eat, and then I will get back to you guys soon after that. I think what we're going to do is I'm going to have something to eat, and then we'll go and properly check out this building over here, and then I think after that we'll have a campfire. I think that sounds like the plan. There's my There's my fire pit and my wood and my logs over there in a bag. I've cleared a space so we can have a safe fire. I think that'd be quite nice. But that'll be for a bit later on. So anyhow, I'm going to get something to eat and I'll see you guys soon, right? I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye. Alright guys, it's time to get some food on the go. So it's chili con carne, I think. I think this will do me nicely. So I'll get the old gas stove on the go. Hang on a minute. Right, here we go. Nice. I've got more water here. Put that on top. Oh, hang on. Oh shit. Hang on, it's not very level. Oh shit, hang on. This is a bit better, hang on. Oh damn. I might have to keep a hold of this. I didn't really foresee this problem, but anyhow, the food is definitely on the go, and once this water is boiled, I'll get back to you guys, okay? Now these meals, these ready meals, are actually quite nice. If the last ones are anything to go by, they're actually surprisingly filling as well, so this will do me quite nicely. See, these gas heaters are great. I mean, this water's already starting to heat up. I can see it already. It's just not very stable here. Anyhow, I'll see you guys in a bit. Right, hang on. Okay, well, it's ready. This is what it looks like. Let's give it a try. Hey guys. So I'm going to tuck into this. See the steam coming off it. Oh. Damn, these are really good actually. This is warming me up really nicely. This is just what the just what the doctor ordered. My aunt from Sweden bought me these. I'll have to see where I can buy more if I can get them imported to England. Oh, these are really nice. Okay, see if we can get this to focus. Hang on. I think that might be better. Okay, that looks better, I think. Okay, so let's check out this this building. I've had some food, as you know, and I promised we would check out this weird brick building in the middle of the woods. So let's go do it. So we're going to go around here to the entrance. Oh, this place is totally overgrown. Camp's obviously over there. Don't want to lose my way. Okay. It's quite late at night now. I don't know what time exactly, but it's quite late. It's now totally pitch dark, and oh, hang on, let me swap hands. Okay, I don't know how well this is going to turn out on video. I'm not sure how much you guys can see, but okay, I think the entrance is over here. Now, there's not exactly totally much to look at, but I think it's still worth checking out. Okay, here we go. I mean, this brickwork is obviously very old. Don't know how old exactly, but oh. Half expecting to see someone in there. Yeah, shit. Hello! I don't know what this place used to be, or even what I'm standing on. I've got no idea what this place is, or what it was. It's obviously been here a long time. I'm standing on some kind of platform. You've got like a gap going all around here on what I'm standing on. There's a massive spider there. Don't know if you can see it, but this is obviously. It seems like there's obviously a hole here. What I'm standing on. I've got no idea what's under here. You got an Evian water bottle. It's just a shame people will have to come here and litter and graffiti as well. You've got like holes in the wall here. I've got no idea what these are for or what they were for. You got a bar sticking out of the wall here. What looks like old cables. Hang on. Something hanging off the ceiling here. Yeah. But this place has always been padlocked up. So I don't know who's opened this. Or why exactly it was padlocked up, because I don't see anything immediately dangerous here. But then you never know. If anyone has any idea what this place was for, please enlighten me, because I don't know. I don't know what this place was or how long ago it was built, but it's been here a long time. It wouldn't surprise me if this was World War II dated, because there is a lot of World War II remains here where I am in Rendlesham. So I mean, there's old bunkers and shooting ranges. But yeah, unfortunately this is it. It's just a room. I just thought I'd come and check it out, you know. Anyhow, well, I think we've seen it all. There's a big wooden stump here. Surprisingly light, actually. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm actually gonna close this door behind me if I can. Oh, this door is solid. Oh no, does work. That's as far as it goes though. I can't get it to close anymore. Someone would have to come and graffiti it though, wouldn't they? I don't know if this door is original or if it was built after this place was made, but over here it's all overgrown. Okay, I'm going to get out of here. Oh, I tell you that vodka, the vodka I've been drinking got to my head a little bit, I'm not going to lie. Oh, it's definitely getting a bit spooky out here now actually. It's really pitch black out here now. Right, I'll find my way back to the tent. Oh, it's so fucking spooky out here. I mean, it's really pitch black. Really pitch black. I can see the light. The tent's over there, I can see it. You might not be able to see it so well on camera, but yeah, it's over there. Thank God I've got a light on. Right, here we are. Heading back to the tent now. Okay, here we are, home. We are back home. Okay. Now, hang on a second. I don't know if you guys can see me very well, but I think now it's time for a campfire. What do you reckon? Right, guys, how's it going? Right, it's fire time, as I promised. Here comes one of my favourite parts of the night. Let's get this lit. Let's get this kindling going. Okay, I think we have a rock and roll situation. Can't beat a good old-fashioned campfire. This is where it's at. This is my idea of freedom. A campfire out in the woods. I'll put some logs in that in a minute when it gets off properly. Okay, I think it's time to stick some logs on. There we go. Check out these bad boys, look. There's one. And here's two. Oh, hi. Oh, well. This is it. Hope you can hear me okay and see me okay. This is what I came out here for. Hey guys, back again. How's it going? Okay, so it's about 1:30 in the morning now, and I'm quite tired. I've had quite a long day. Obviously, I've been out camping. I've had a fire, I've had some food, I've had a few drinks and all that good stuff, and I've done what I wanted to do, and I've got it all out of my system. So now I think I'm going to call it a day and go to sleep. So yeah, I'm going to go to sleep now, and my plan is to go at the crack of dawn. As soon as it gets light, I want to be out of here because I've got stuff I need to do like later in the morning. Um, that's the plan anyway. I often say I'm going to get up at the crack of dawn, but then I sleep till about 11 o'clock. But we'll see how it goes this time. But yeah, it's definitely time to call it a day now. So anyhow, thank you for watching so far again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning when it's nice and daylight again. Right, thank you again. See you later. Bye bye. Morning. Oh, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I need to get making a move because I've got stuff I need to do at home. So I'm going to force myself to get up, even though I would like to sleep more. I'm going to. Oh, I'm going to force myself to get up and start getting ready. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh, daylight. Lovely daylight after being in the pitch darkness. Oh, there's where we sat at the fire. Right, I need to get packed up and get going because I need to be home. I need to be home for a delivery because I missed the I missed the delivery yesterday. I don't want to miss it again today if I can help it. Right, so I'm gonna get packed up, and I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay, see you in a bit. Right guys, the tent's all packed up. That's where the tent was. You might be able to see where the leaves have been flattened down a bit, but that's the only trace that I've been here. There's absolutely no trace that I've been here at all. This is where the fire pit was. As you can see, nothing there at all. No rubbish, no burn marks, nothing. I always leave no trace. And anyhow, I need to get back home, get back to civilization. Hopefully I won't miss my DPD delivery. Hey, how's it going? Back again. Okay, so I'm back in the vehicle now. I'm glad to see it was all here and intact when I got back. No one tampered with it during the night. I always feel a bit wary about leaving it unattended in rural locations for some reason. But yeah, everything's fine. I'm now going to go back home. So that's it now for this little camping trip. I enjoyed it, and I'm hoping you enjoyed watching. If you like the video, please smash the like and subscribe button. All channel support is appreciated. And I'll see you again soon in the next video. Okay, thank you again. Bye bye.